पानी लाए मुझे पानी लाए लाए तो थोड़ा सा दे ओके गुड इवनिंग हेलो
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग so we are continuing linear differential equation. Now you see we got some other type of question which we can convert into the linear differential equation form. That is, you can see for the solution, if I am writing y dash can also be written as dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x. This step number one is itself enough. We can compare with the standard form. That is dy by dx plus p of y is equals to q. Now I can easily say that my p value is 1, q value is sin x. Now integrating factor is equals to e power integral p dx, which is equals to e power integral 1 dx. This is equal to integration 1 dx, direct formula is x. Now the solution is y into integrating factor is equals to whatever. Got it. ठीक है. Integral q into integrating factor of dx plus c. Just put down the values and get down. Yes. Now put down the values. Tell me what is integrating factor now. Y into integrating factor is e power x is equals to, come on, integral q value is, come on, sin x.
Sine
Integrating factor is e power x
e power x.
dx. And we add a c later. Y into e power x is equals to integral of sin x e power x can also be written as e power x sin x also into dx. And here for this one also we have a direct formula, but still I will write the formula. The formula is here is e power ax sin bx and dx is equal to, according to the formula, it says that we should write like that: e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. A sin bx, a sin bx minus b cos bx, b cos bx. But you see, if you compare with these two, we can say that our a value is 1, our b value is also 1. Correct now? X coefficient is 1 here. Here also x coefficient is 1 here. So if you put it in this formula directly, what you will get it, you see, y into e power x is equals to, yeah.
सर वैल्यू नहीं दिए ना सर अपने को ए और बी का, अपन एज्यूम कर ले रहे क्या?
कंपेयर करो जी, अज्यूम नहीं कर रहे, कंपेयर करो. Here x
अच्छा
coefficient is
इतना
1.
ओके ओके, इफ द वैल्यू इज नॉट गिवन यू हैव टू कंपेयर इट हाउ यू डिराइविंग.
Yes. E power a value is 1 here. A square plus b square is 1 square plus 1 square is 2. Into a is 1, b is 1. If you put it, you will get it sin x minus cos x, and that's all. Because a is 1, b is 1. And finally, we add the constant, and that's completed. This problem will be completed. Now, this is the original form, but sometimes in our exam, you may get the reverse type of questions. Reverse type in the sense, I'll tell you. Note. Sometimes what happened, our differential equation should be in this form: dx by dy plus p of x is equal to q. This is our original form. This is our reverse form. You notice here, the variable has been changed. X जाके y हो जा रहा, y जाके x हो जा रहा. Okay. In that case, our integrating factor, here we have integrating factor e power integral p dx. We have our integral factor is e power p dy here. Variable has been changed, and the solution is, the solution here we are writing in terms of y, but here I can write it in terms of x. X into integrating factor is equals to integral q into integrating factor. जहां पर भी x आ रहा वहां पर y लिखना है आपको. That's it. dy and plus c. This is all about reverse form of linear differential equation. Now, how the problem will come? प्रॉब्लम में कहीं पर भी आपको मेंशन नहीं करेगा कि ये रिवर्स फॉर्म का है, ये रेगुलर फॉर्म है, whatever it is. So I'll go to the next page and I'll show you how to solve this type of problem and how to identify those type of problems. The questions are, in my question paper I found here, this is the question. Okay, solve. This is our second question for today's class. Solve. y dash is equals to 1 by e to the power of minus y and minus x. Look at that question. देखिए question की variety देखिए, different types of question may be given. So what we have to do? We have to convert this. Our question will be of either this form or should be in this form. Any one of the form. Look at that. वो कौन से
So
form में?
why did you
Yes, come on. Tell me what.
why why did you take y dash as dy by dx?
It is given in our question. I am not taking that.
Okay.
It is given instead of dy by dx. Sometimes they may confuse you in your question paper by giving y dash instead of dy by dx. Okay, right? Solution.
Okay.
Dy by dx can also be written as, y dash can be written as dy by dx is equals to 1 by e to the power of minus y minus x. So 1 by form, it means it is a improper fraction. क्यों बोल सकते हैं अपन? डिनोमिनेटर की वैल्यू बड़ी है, न्यूमिनेटर की वैल्यू छोटी है, improper fraction we cannot solve it. So we convert improper fraction to proper fraction by taking its reciprocal. If you take the reciprocal on both sides, you may get it. Dx by dy is equal to, the reciprocal of this one is e to the power of minus y and then minus x. Correct? Is that clear? देखिए ऑटोमेटिकली क्वेश्चन ये फॉर्म में आ जाता है, ये फॉर्म दिस फॉर्म. मैं कुछ कर रहा हूं नहीं.
So it was e to the power y
e to the power क्या? e
y.
to the power of minus y. खाली अपन उल्टा कर रहे हैं, 2/3 को
It won't be
3/2 लिख रहे हैं, बस उतना ही. आई एम नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग एनीथिंग.
okay.
ऐसा लिख रहा हूं मैं, डिनोमिनेटर बाय 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just taking the reciprocal, that's it, not doing anything. So then minus value, if you take this side, will become plus dx by dy plus x is equals to e power minus y. Now this one I want to compare with the standard form of reverse linear differential equation form. Dx by dy plus p of x is equal to q is the reverse differential equation standard form. So if you notice, you will get our p value is 1 and similarly our q value is e to the power of minus y. Okay. So according to the working rule, what it says, integrating factor is usually e power integral p dx, but in our reverse form, the integrating factor is e power integral p dy actually here. So now let me write the integrating factor. It is equal to e power integral p dy, which is equals to e power integral p value is what? 1 dx, 1 dy. So 1 dx is x, means 1 dy is obviously becomes y. This is our integrating factor. Now finally we should write the solution. The solution is 7 marks question we are discussing. Okay, the solution is x into integrating factor, because reverse form we are doing. जहां पर भी x है वहां y आ जाता है, y की जगह पे x. Integral q into integrating factor of what usually we are getting. Here we are getting dx, but in reverse form we will get dy. So x into integrating factor is e power y we got is equals to integral q value. Q value is e power minus y, and I got it integrating factor as e power plus y into dy. So this is the x into e power y is equals to, and you see integral of bases are equal, power should be added, minus y plus y cancel, e power 0 dy. But already we know that e power 0 value is 1. This is 1 dy. So then finally the last step will be, it is x e power y is equal to 1 dy is y, 1 dx is x, 1 dp is p, so like that, plus c will be your final answer. Any doubts? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Moving to the next question. The question is solve 2x plus y to the power of 4. But in the last paper, means yesterday's paper, I think the day before yesterday's paper, we don't get any question related to linear or Bernoulli. But ऐसा नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है, कौन सा भी पूछ सकता है एग्जाम में. We have to go for according to our syllabus. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yes. Yes. What happened?
Sir, I didn't get you. What did you say?
In our question paper, which came 2 days before, we didn't find any question related to linear differential equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is not compulsory that you will not get that question. Okay. This implies
Okay, sir.
2x plus y to the power of 4. For my convenience, dy by dx, I am writing instead of y dash is equals to y. Now, if I want to make it dy by dx as a subject, then the multiple value will goes to the denominator y by 2x plus y power 4. But if I see here, let me write it here, it is improper. But in exam paper, if you write it, it's well and good. If you don't write also improper, nothing will happen. Improper fraction means immediately we have to convert into the proper fraction. The proper fraction will be taking reciprocal on both sides. Dx by dy is equal to, if you take the reciprocal, you will get 2x plus y to the power of 4 divided by y. Dx by dy is equals to, if you simplify by taking separately like that, 2x by y is one term plus y to the power of 4 by y is another term. Okay. And now here it is possible to simplify. One term will be cancelled. Dx by dy. If you take this value that side, we get minus negative. Okay. Negative. I want to write like that. 2 by y into x. The same thing you will get now is equal to y to the power of 3. Is this step is clear for everybody? Dx by dy
Yes, sir.
minus 2 by y. Namrata, you have to explain this problem to Nikita. I don't know why she did not give.
I'll try calling her once.
Even though I'll send the recording of this class, don't call. Just listen first. The class is important. Dx by I am comparing with the standard form. Dx by dy plus p of x is equal to q. And now if you notice, our p value is this one, minus 2 by y. Our q value is this one, by q. Now I can move to the next step, that is for finding the integrating factor. And students, please note that if you understand linear differential equation, then only you can understand Bernoulli differential equation. Bernoulli differential equation, more than 60% work is for, आपको याद है हाजिरा, अपन वहां पर मुझसे लॉ कॉलेज में जाके जब मैं आपको पढ़ाया था, जब मैं लीनियर और बेर्नौली का कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाया था, e power integral pdy, we had our classes in law college there. P value is minus 2 by y, so if you take minus 2 outside, 1 by y dy, e power minus 2 as it is. Integration of 1 by term is log y. which is equals to e to the power of n log x form. N log x can be written as log x to the power of n. E and log together becomes vanishes. We get y to the power of minus 2 can also be written as 1 by y square. It means that our integrating factor is 1 by y square. Now we should write the solution. The solution is we have to write the solution in terms of x. X into integrating factor is equals to integral of q into integrating factor of dx plus c. X is x only, we don't want to disturb. Into integrating factor, we got it as 1 by y square here is equals to integral of q value is here y cube. You can see arrows will indicate the values into 1 by y square into, sorry, what I wrote the mistake, dy, sorry, dy will come here. Erase it then and write it. 1 cube and square term will be cancelled. X by y square is equal to integral of y dy. Y is nothing but y power n I am talking about. And the standard formula which we are using here is x to the power of n formula. X to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here our n value is 1. So if I am substituting in our formula,
Sir, why did we take it as y dash?
not y dash, nothing y dash, it is y only. Dash is
Okay.
not the dash. Forget about the dash. Okay, only y. X by y square into integration of y is what? Y power 1 actually. Y square by 2. And then we have to add the constant, and this is the concept of this. The question which I am doing, that is totally reverse form of linear differential equation. Reverse form of linear differential equation. Okay. Because I am now near to go for Bernoullis. Once if it is perfect for you, once if it is no doubt for you, I can move on to the Bernoulli differential equation. After linear only, you can understand what is Bernoulli. Just see, and any doubt you can, these doubts are welcome now.
Sir, could you once explain like integral of dy or integral of dx, how to solve it? If it is
This one?
given integral of dy and if it is given integral dx.
Same variable has been changed. That's it. If you
Same
have
formula, same.
variable alag ho gaya khali. What is the problem?
Okay, sir.
Integral y power n dy also. We get it same thing now. Y to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Only variable change. Nothing.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay. Let me go for one more question. Okay. Moving to the next question. And I think I should stop the discussing these problems linear way. Solve little different question. Quite difficult also. X y dash minus 3y is equals to x to the power of 4 into e to the power of x plus cos x. Bracket close. Minus 2x square. This is the problem. Looking like very difficult problem. Once if you start solving one by one steps, if you proceed, you will get problem will become easy for you. Now look at start. Actually given is x as it is. Y dash can also be written as dy by dx. Minus 3y is equals to x to the power of 4 times e power x plus cos x minus 2x square. Now, for the standard form, if you notice all these problems, this is the standard form for reverse form. This is also a standard form. This one for reverse form. For our original form, the standard form is this one, dy by dx. What do you notice? dy by dx is alone. So coefficient could be an error. I don't want x here. So dividing with x on both sides. Let us call it as equation number 1. Dividing equation number 1 with x on both sides. So I may get the answer is dy by dx minus 3y divided by x is equal to, for this all the expression, I can divide with x only. This is e power x plus cos x. For this one also we have to divide with x. Okay, minus 2x square. Again dividing with x. Some of the terms are cancelled. If you see, here we can cancel the square term with x. The 4 cancel with 1, we'll get 1 power 3. Then now look at what happened. Dy by dx. Okay, this can be written as, can I write like this, plus minus 3 by x into y. Can I write like this? लिख सकते हैं इसको ऐसा? Is equal to, please reply, x cube into e power x plus cos x minus 2x here. Is it okay? Now let us compare with the standard form. The standard form of this one will be dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. And the p value is this one, that is okay. But this entire value is the value of q. Entire value is the value of q. Okay. Now I can move to the next step, that is for finding the integrating factor. E power integral p dx, because original form we are doing. It's e power integral p value. P value is minus 3 by x. Let me take it minus 3, 1 by minus 3 outside, 1 by x dx, which is equals to e to the power of minus 3 as it is. 1 by x is log x. देखिए वही फार्मूला रिपीट होते जा रहे हैं बार बार, log x, x power n, e power x. कोई नया फार्मूला कहीं से भी ला नहीं सकते. Log x power n is n log x, and e and log vanishes, we get it x to the power of minus 3, which is equals to 1 by x cube is our integrating factor. Now the solution. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integral of q into integrating factor of dx and plus c. Why is y only? Into integrating factor is what? 1 by x cube equals to integral of q value. So what I said, this entire value is our q value. Okay, that is x cube into e power x plus cos x minus 2x into integrating factor. Means this all value should be multiplying with 1 by x cube into dx. We can add the constant later. So what happened if you multiply, you can see this term will be multiplying with this term, means x cube will be cancelled. I think I should write clearly. y by x cube is equals to integral of x cube will for all this term means like that x cube e power x plus cos x divided by x cube और भी मेरे रिकॉर्डिंग्स है देखिए यूट्यूब पे लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन से जिसमें मैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के प्रॉब्लम करा आप वो भी रिकॉर्डिंग्स देख सकते हो okay so what the terms which are cancelled here these two terms are cancelled x cube cancel 1x and this one will be cancelled so then finally y by x cube is equals to integral of what left here e power x plus cos x left here minus 2 by x square left here into dx y by x cube is equals to if you integrate each and every term individually e power x dx plus integral of cos x dx minus 2 is a constant outside integration of 1 by x square dx y by x cube is equal to integration e power x must be e power x direct formula integration of cos x is sin x direct formula minus 2 as it is integration 1 by x square is minus 1 by x this is indirect formula and once if you're done with the integration we have to write plus c and in the next step if you want to multiply this together you can multiply otherwise you can leave it here also so I repeat once again ये जो क्वेश्चंस मैं करा रहा हूँ ये YouTube पे भी आपको अवेलेबल है इससे हटके क्वेश्चंस है सेम क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं है different type of questions are there okay so tomorrow are you free in morning afternoon time because tomorrow evening
Yes,
is not possible I can't take
yes, sir.
Saturday evening class.
Morning time we are free, sir.
मॉर्निंग 11:30 के टाइम पे मैं लिंक पे जाऊँ आप लोगों को मैं
Yes, sir.
ये हाजिर हूँ ओके
Yes, sir.
can I send the link morning 11:30 12 like that
Yes, sir. Today also I was waiting for the link, but nobody
sorry
messaged
I am
since,
not feeling
so I
well
didn't
today
message.
I am not feeling well
Okay.
today that's what we have continue in the same time but tomorrow Saturday evening classes are not possible I don't want to waste your time is near I won't take your class during morning
Yes,
hours
sure,
or
sir.
in afternoon hours
So if the
Morning
class
hours
will
you
be,
take, sir, from 11 o'clock.
yes
if
it
the
is possible
class
for
will be in the morning, you won't take it in the afternoon?
no one time is enough for me
Okay, sir.
okay so with this do you have any doubt in this if you want the previous pages I can turn it to the previous pages page number 1 2 any question if you want to ask me particularly this is our
Doubts I
first
got.
problem yeah this is your first
On the
problem
last page, I got two doubts. One
yeah.
is it very necessary to divide by x? Like we can't go by x power 4, we can't use it.
No we have to divide that's compulsory we
So
have to
till
convert into
x,
the standard form
so it should be x power 3 or x power 2, right?
which one you are asking
1 minute, sir. I'll mark it out.
yeah mark it no
This
problem
place I'm asking.
yes compulsory here
So
I don't want x here because in our standard form we don't have any x here for dy by dx coefficient so that should be divided either x or if whatever is the term we have to divide compulsory
but still, no, you're not getting my point. There is x power 4, right? So the power needs to be x power 3 only.
Yeah.
Like it
3
can't be
only
done by x power 4.
no x power 3 only x power 4 divided by x one term will be cancelled it is x power 3 only this is like that
No,
see
sir. Her doubt is that is it that we cannot solve if it is x power 4?
Exactly.
no we cannot solve it compulsory
Okay,
we
sir.
have to divide compulsory we have to divide
And also, since sir x is here in q term also and here in p term also, so how would we
Yes,
know
can you
which
mark
is
it?
x?
Can you mark it?
Yeah, yes, sir. Here x is there here in this y term also, like the p1, py wala, or x is here in q term also. So how
Okay.
would we know which one is p and which one is q?
The coefficient of y is always p. I repeat once again, the coefficient of y, coefficient किसको बोलते हैं? 2y है, y का coefficient 2 है, so coefficient of y is always p value, and the terms which are not having the coefficient is always q value. ये dy by
Okay,
dx plus p of y is equal to q से कंपेयर करना, जो भी इक्वेशन आपका आ गया, ये y के साथ जो टर्म्स रहता, that is called the value of p, the term which are alone is called q. Got the point? For the previous questions, any doubts?
No, sir.
This formula also you have to memorize. Okay. And this is for reverse form. Reverse form of linear differential equation. Next topic is Bernoulli differential equation. There also we have a reverse form. Reverse form for linear, reverse form for Bernoulli also. Okay. So I don't want to give you the working rule. फिर आप confuse हो जाते हैं. कल इसमें आपको working rule लिखा के. Otherwise, if you want, I'll give you the working rule. This is the
So since
second
we
question.
have time, you give it, sir. Tomorrow we can revise it.
Okay. Bernoulli's differential equation, which is also called non-linear differential equation. Okay. The standard form of this one is dy by dx plus p of y is equals to q into y to the power of n. देखिए मैं आपको कंपैरिजन भी बता देता हूँ. Original form of linear differential equation is what? dy by dx plus p of y is equals to q. Can you notice what is the difference?
In Q, we have y to the power n.
Yeah, this is our extra term, right? Right? This is our extra term. It means what we have to do, if you remove y power n from this differential equation, this non-linear differential equation will be converted to linear form. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to divide with y power n on both sides. 1 by y power n dy by dx plus 1 by y power n py is equals to y power n dividing with y power n, you will get q. And if I am simplifying 1 by y power n dy by dx, okay, plus if you take to the numerator, here we have y power 1, can be solved like this, 1 by 1 minus n. So it is p into y to the power of 1 minus n, okay, is equals to q. This step yahin pe what we'll do here only, this 1 by y power n can also be written as y to the power of minus n. So what we have to do, we have to go for a special substitution. This means the term of p coefficient should be taken as z. Put y to the power of 1 minus n is equal to z. Then differentiate with respect to y. We get d by dy of y power 1 minus n is equals to d by dy of z. तो ऐसा करके आप सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद ये इक्वेशन नंबर 2 कन्वर्ट होके लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बन जाता है ऐसा। इसमें से ये y पावर n वाला टर्म गायब हो जाता है। इसके बाद आपका नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर अपन करना, व्हाट इज दैट? इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, e power integral pdx of course, then solution we are writing y into integrating factor लिखते ना अपन, y नहीं लिखे या z लिखना, z into integrating factor is equals to integral q into integrating factor of dx plus c। सब सेम ही है। अभी खाली यहाँ पर एक वेरिएबल नया आ जाता आपको z बोल के, उसको सॉल्व कर लेना, यहाँ से z की वैल्यू इसमें रख देना, आंसर खत्म। तो our intention is to convert non-linear differential equation into linear form. I will tell you once again the working rule tomorrow as a repetition, and then we can proceed our class tomorrow. Okay, ये तो just basic concept था बर्नौली का। कल से प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट करेंगे। प्लीज 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 आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, विदाउट लीनियर वी कांट गो फॉर बर्नौली, क्योंकि ये देखिए आप खाली कन्वर्ट करने के बाद वो फिर से लीनियर बन जाता। अगर आपको लीनियरिस्ट नहीं आता तो बर्नौली नहीं कर सकते। लीनियर अच्छे से आना है। आप जितने भी प्रॉब्लम में लीनियर के दिया नोटबुक में कॉपी करो, उसकी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो, उसको सामने रखो, तभी आपको बर्नौली समझ में आता। कितने भी प्रॉब्लम में लीनियर कराए उसको सामने रखिए, रिवर्स फॉर्म के भी सामने रखिए। ओके, with this I conclude my class. Tomorrow
So,
we'll meet. Yeah.
so it is very necessary to get some kind of some set of questions, some set of formulas which will be mostly used.
Okay, tomorrow remind me. Tomorrow remind me before starting the class the formulas which are necessary I'll give you for the Bernoulli. Okay.
Okay, sir, sure.
Once if I start the class, you can just remind me. Thank you. This class will be ending now.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.